But all in all, you know what? It's a nice device. I'm going to have to give it also a Pro Type-C charging on here. You get 2 pods. Top fill on this. I like that. I could just do that. Pop it off, fill it. I don't have to take the pod out. Slip that in, no problem. I can remove the pod easily. It's going to have to be a Pro. Got a little window on the side where I could see my liquid capacity. It's going to have to get a Pro. Flavor on this is actually pretty good. I have to say, that seagrass stuff that they're using in there, seagrass cotton thingy, flavor's been good on here. I'm going to have to give them a Pro. Vapor quality, throat hit, all that, all works fine to me. But like I said, I just wish I had a little bit less airflow on here. Just a little bit less. And that's basically a personal preference. But all in all, I think they did a pretty good job with this.